Florestas são lugares sórdidos, misteriosos, cheios de perigos e sons que podem enganar nossa mente. Os barulhos comuns se tornam assustadores em meio à grandeza das árvores e suas sombras que parecem esconder algo. Sentir-se observado e seguido é um dos muitos relatos de exploradores. O explorador do canal Hills Outdoor Adventures acampa em uma floresta, com histórias nada atrativas, a Floresta Epping, uma floresta com relatos de assombrações e atividades paranormais muito fortes. Ele alega já ter andado pela floresta, mas nunca acampado nela. Porém, ele entenderia todas as histórias que rondam essa floresta e experimentaria um pouco de toda a energia e acontecimentos estranhos que ele iria passar.
Mirror noises already. Yeah, I've never stayed in this woodland overnight before, so it's all new to me. Just got to try and remember the way. I'm going deep into woodland, into Middleport. Like I say, not been here for a few months, so I'm hoping what I've built is still here. Now, we have had a lot of rain over the last few days. As much as sun's out at the moment, it looks like everything's wet through. This is where I think it's going to be deep. Well, it doesn't look like anyone's been here for a while, so that's good. There's a little stream running outside, but I know it overflows onto the path. So I'm going to make my way through here because I can see it's deep already. There's no way of going at it, you've just got to walk through it.
O explorador vai adentrando mais e mais pela densa mata. Percebam que alguns momentos ele para e olha para trás como se estivesse checando se está sendo seguido por alguém. Ele parece desconfortável e a todo momento apreensivo e em alerta.
What leaves that are falling off the trees? It's just... Sort your sen out, Danny, sort your sen out. Well, this is turning out to be great. Can't remember where I'm going. Just walking down this path in this mud. And there's some right noises. I know, it's all in my head and everything. Well, I've never stayed in these woods before. I don't remember it being this far. I hope I don't walk past it.
Ele se perde na densa mata. Danny é experiente e acaba se perdendo, pois a floresta é confusa e parece fazer com que os exploradores se percam de propósito. Porém, ele encontra o caminho e o segue para montar seu acampamento.
I've got to watch. So some of you might have noticed as I was walking up that pathway, I bought myself a new bag, British Army, Bergen 120 litres. Now that's freaky. 1 minute all birds are whistling away and then they just stop and I've not heard them since. I came up here with good intentions, bit of chilled night and everything. And I'm proper spooked out. This is not like me at all. Not like me at all.
Ele continua apreensivo e, se sentindo observado e seguido, não consegue relaxar e aproveitar. Ele está em estado de alerta, com medo de que alguém queira lhe fazer mal.
Hello? It's fucking freaking me out, that is. Hello? Well, I think I know why birds stopped whistling anyway. I heard some, like, shooting gunshots in background. But it's a bit weird, that's like probably a mile or two away. I don't know, I'm probably just freaking myself out sort of thing. Last time I came, there were some people walking along top of ridge. And I hid behind a tree here sort of thing. But you don't very often see anybody up here. And that before, when I turned round, it was like somebody threw something, like a rock or something. There is no stones here, there's no stones for a fireplace or anything. I can't cook. I've got some crisp and that's about it. And another 2 beers. Well, as soon as I stop recording, I heard some rustling in these holly bushes. Now, there is a lot of squirrels up here.
A tensão no ar é palpável. Danny começa a pensar se vai mesmo acompanhar ou ir embora, pois os sons e barulhos o estão deixando bem apreensivo.
Why'd you get close if I didn't have a fire? I'm not sure I want to be here tonight. I'm a bit freaked out with everything. It's not like me at all, this. I might even leave this shelter here. And again, I don't want anyone else to find it. I'm not sure.
Após muita incerteza, ele monta acampamento e vai embora. E o estranho que para Danny, um explorador experiente, não consegue achar a trilha de volta e acaba se perdendo. Porém, logo ele a encontra e sai daquela floresta rapidamente.
So, I've decided to bail. I've just... It don't look very dark here, but it is. Something's just got me spooked tonight, I don't know what. This is not like me. Oh shit, this is that stream we're looking for. Now I've got to jump it. Oh shit. Oh dear me, this mud is deep. just going for it. I don't care if I get wet feet. Did. Came over that log. Oh dear. This mud is right bad. I don't know what it's like for you to see this. It's quite dark here. I've just realised I've got an head torch in my bag. What an idiot. I don't remember seeing them logs on the floor when I came. Yeah, it probably weren't a good idea to watch Blair Witch a couple of days ago either. I think that's what's put me on edge a bit as well. I don't do horror films at all.
Ele anda por alguns minutos sem rumo, pois tudo para ele está confuso.
It's like I can hear voices. No voices travel like out when it's quiet. It'll soon be dark nights again in a few weeks. Clocks go back, forward, whichever way they go. I lost again. Oh no, I can see that tree where I came. Don't know why I'm whispering. I'm hearing sounds now. I don't know if they're foxes, badgers, bats. What the hell? I remember that tree, but it's path gone. Oh, it's here. At least I'm on path anyway. Here's that log where I did intro. And I don't know if you can tell, fog, mist fog, whatever it is, coming down now. It's quite hard for me to see path with my naked eye. I'm looking through phone and it's a lot easier. That is freaky. I don't know if I'm coming here again. Feel a bit better now. Coming outside at works, so it's all lit up. Wow, I can't believe that. I've never been on edge before like that camping. Only when, you know someone's there. Oh, fit through thing. There it is, guys. That's where I've just come from. I'm gonna knock it on the head about now. I'm sorry you didn't get to see me do my camp.
O TikToker do canal Motowens está em uma trilha de moto quando, de repente, árvores caídas como se fossem armadilhas, é possível ouvir um pedido de ajuda e, quando percebido, passos fortes na direção do TikToker, que acelera sua moto.
This is where most people would turn around. If you turn around, you never get to see what's on the other side. That's where all the gold is waiting over there. Could be missing out what's on the other side. Hello?
Porém, em outra oportunidade, ele adentra novamente a floresta, mas o que ele encontra é aterrorizante.
Looks like we've already passed it a while ago, but that tree is gone. I'm probably gonna turn around soon. Oh, there's two ways. Holy crap, dude, this trail goes on forever. It just got really quiet really fast. That was my cue to leave.
What was this?
Fala pessoal, se estiverem gostando do vídeo, se inscreva, isso ajuda muito o canal a crescer, e também ative o sininho para não perder nenhum conteúdo. Meu muito obrigado. Crazy Quad é um experiente youtuber que faz exploração, e neste vídeo ele parte para acampar em uma velha casa no meio de uma floresta, uma casa abandonada mesmo. Chegando lá, ele se aloca no andar de baixo e vai explorar algo.
And tonight we are out at an abandoned house, and this is out in the country. It's been abandoned for a while, as you can see. Sun's just starting to go down. Probably got an hour of light left. There's a couple other buildings out here that are falling over. One there too. Check that out. There's an old windmill tower. I was kind of hoping to stay on a covered porch, but the one in front looks like it's collapsed. Oh, there's a door there. Get my pack through this junk. Oh. It goes down to the basement or it goes up. I'm gonna take my pack off. Leave it right here for now. While we explore this a little bit. Oh, wow. Look at all the old wallpaper. Ooh, a teddy bear.
Ele segue sua exploração rotineira, só não sabia o que lhe esperaria ao anoitecer.
lay that down. Otherwise it's gonna fall over and scare me in the middle of the night. Oh, there's an old toy car. Okay. Well, here we are. Well, why don't we, I'm already hearing things. Why don't we crack a drink open? I got a twisted tea, half and half. I have less than an hour of light left, yeah. Courage in a can, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm already hearing things. There's something up there. There's definitely something up there. Get! I can hear it walking around, whatever it is. Probably a raccoon. There's definitely something upstairs right now. I haven't even cooked dinner yet, and once I do dinner, I'll have to bag that up. Bag up my leftovers or my food bag. I'm gonna toss that outside as far as I can. Got our bear spray. I don't have to spray anything, but let's try more sound effects. Whatever it is, I would like it to leave. It's only 9:30, 9:26. I mean, the wind has picked up a bit. So it could be branches clonking against the house, especially up front, because they're like everything is grown right up to the house. But it sounded like there was something walking around right above me. Yeah.
O que poderia ser aquilo, ele relata que poderia ser texugos, mas era muito pesado para parecer com algum animal. Embora se fosse um anila, sairia ao descobrir o youtuber. E os barulhos não param mesmo ele gritando e fazendo barulhos. Em um determinado momento, os barulhos cessam e ele consegue dormir até o amanhecer. Me conte, acha que essa experiência foi fake ou realmente sobrenatural? Deixe nos comentários que eu quero saber. Nas florestas mais antigas, onde a luz raramente chega, há um silêncio vivo, como se as árvores guardassem segredos proibidos. Entre galhos retorcidos e ventos que sussurram nomes esquecidos, vultos dançam, gemidos ecoam, e olhos invisíveis seguem passos. O tempo se distorce, e o natural se confunde com o sobrenatural. Se você já sentiu um calafrio na floresta à noite, talvez não fosse só o vento, mas algo ancestral observando você nas sombras. Cuidado, nem tudo que habita essas matas quer ser encontrado. E não se esqueça, nunca feche os olhos.